chet yang Hiring amnut ban check ya ka phone jong pi Ngatip ba phim lelin det yang Hiring amnut ban check ya ka phone jong pi Ban thare snil ngathait ban le shong shit ngathait Namar haka jinggit bun kibreu ki kilabi Ban mudur bit ngathait ban shani abit ngathait Lada thoka nosib dalele rungim yakha Harais new ya pi Namar kan sakhim kalinti Ngam kwa ban kontrol tani api Lara pit ngan sayo hi Ngam kwa ban tharais new ya pi Namar kan sakhim kalinti Ngam kwa ban kontrol tani api Lara pit ngan sayo hi Ngatip ba phin nom chit yang Hinring am nu ban chet ya ka phone jong pi Ngatip ba phim lelin det yang Hinring am nu ban chet ya ka phone jong pi Iduri ba bhabril jinglong ki shai long shil And abun nong ai line du what you line de banga parshi hire de banga yoi jingit bano shilya ki baloya ki kelasnya Nam kwa ban tharais new ya pi Namar kan sakhim kalinti Ngam kwa ban control thani api Lara pit ngan sayo hi Ngam kwa ban tharais new ya pi Namar kan sakhim kalinti Ngam kwa ban control thani api Lara pit ngan sayo hi Latip ba phin nom chet yang Hinring am nun ban chet ya ka phone jong pi Latip ba phim lelin det yang Hinring am nun ban chet ya ka phone jong pi Listen, today I try to start a fight again Even though I know she's your friend But you told me I shouldn't worry She's your best friend, a girlfriend, I don't know But last time I know you kissed her and secretly Yo, I tried to spark a fire just to see if you'd react But you played cool, keeping all the lies intact She's just a friend, yeah, I've heard that line before While I'm picking up the pieces of my heart off the floor You say I'm overthinking, say I'm acting out of line But I saw that secret kiss, yeah, it's burning to my mind I'm tired of the whispers, tired of the bestie trope I'm hanging on the edge of a frayed and burning rope I don't wanna check your phone, I don't wanna play the spy But it's hard to see the truth when I'm staring at a lie You call it control, I call it self-defense Cause nothing that you're saying is making any sense Is she a friend, is she a lover, is she someone in between? You're living in the shadow somewhere I have never been I'm exhausted from the doubt, from the maybe and the if Walking on this wire right beside the edge of the cliff